What's the meaning of break? Break. Break.
Break. Break. The word break has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, break refers to something being damaged or shattered into pieces. In a physical sense, this can refer to an object, such as a vase or glass, being broken into fragments. In a more abstract sense, break can refer to a disruption or interruption of continuity, such as a break in communication or a break in a relationship. In sports, break commonly refers to an interruption in play, such as a timeout or halftime. Overall, the term break often connotes a negative outcome and implies that something has been damaged or interrupted in some way.